Hi friends. Mm, I just thought of making a video regards with my recovery and regards with my not like my injury and these stuffs um, few people they ask me in my like in my YouTube channel different questions, so I it's my duty to answer them. It's I thought of giving a the step by different points which come to my mind, and different questions I thought of giving an answer. uh, that is first question is one of my a fellow YouTuber, or one of my person who asked in the comment section. They asked me like how much time it took for me to recover from the injury. So basically, I got up with a femoral neck fracture. That is in the first surgery. That is unable to, we put a three screws. They put a doctors put a three screws, but unfortunately, like in after 3 months of time, the fracture doesn't heal. Like the bone doesn't heal. Like it doesn't stick to the point like where my hip is. So there is a fracture. So they put a three screws to for the fixation, but it doesn't fix at all after 3 months also. So what I have done is, like, after 3 months they have done a femoral neck osteotomy. So what exactly is, like, they put a small implant connecting the neck of it, connecting the head of the hip. So from my thigh till neck and hip, they put a small implant along with 6 cannulated screws. So they done the fixation. So that's where the surgery has got over. It's like a second surgery. So what happened is, after the surgery, it's actually a femoral neck fracture. The fixation is a second fixation with the implant. So what happened is, after that, like, it took like uh, 12 weeks for me, as I believe, for me to give a weight towards my surgery leg. After 12 weeks, I started giving weight towards the surgery leg. So this is the second point. It is actually 12 weeks. So after 12 weeks, I slowly started giving like a weight bearage of 25% to 50%. After that, 75%, then 100%. So it gradually increases every 4 weeks. I hope it clears your doubt. After 12 weeks, I started, and after every 4 weeks, that is almost a month, I started increasing by 25% weight towards my surgery leg. So after that, I believe it's almost like 6 months. I started in five months. After 5 months, I started walking with the full weight normally, without any much of the support, without my support of that stick and all. I didn't have the stick. I started walking. This is the third one. So I can take it like 5 months, guys. 5 months it took for my recovery. That is actually from the second surgery. So basically, what happened is, after that, I started walking. In the beginning, it was a small, not small. It's a very much a visible limp. You can able to see my first video. That is my first video, where you can able to see the limp. I have a limp where it's very much visible. Slowly, gradually, once you do a workout, do a exercise, start walking normally, like a normal routine stuffs, it slowly, gradually, it eases down my limping. So the limping got better and better and better. So this is the thing. After, you can say, like, I started 6 months I start with my work. I start working for a company, so I become almost like a normal person. I start going for a work, not much of like a strain towards my leg, not like a kicking a scooter, or like not walking so fast. So I restricted myself, but slowly, gradually, I start increasing it. So you can take like 6 months it took for my recovery. uh, there is one more person who asked me a question like, guys, the reason I'm making a video, it's like I'm just sort of giving so many inputs, whatever happened during my surgery, during my like recovery period. I was there in the home, lying down in the bed. Those days were very tough, very tough. I know, I understand people's pain, like after having a fracture, after having a surgery, how people will feel. Like I can relate to myself. Like I seriously want to give something to the community, to the people who had unfortunately got a fracture in some way, like a accident or incident, like like while playing a sport. uh, so I thought of giving a eye opener, or giving a information, whatever I've faced, I've gone through. So it should be helpful for the people to come out of the fear, to come out of the that mental stress in which you've been facing during the recovery, like the surgery and other stuffs. So it's my duty to give a information about it. That's the reason I start with this YouTube channel. In a way, like that's the reason I put it across. Stay strong, be positive. I'm telling you guys, even you guys can recover out of this trauma, and you can come back, and you'll come back stronger. So that's the reason I'm making these videos. Mm, there is one more question. One of the gentlemen asked, like, how much time it took to bend my leg. As example, like to bend the knee. So basically, mine is a femoral neck fracture. There is no any problem in the knee, or there is no any problem with the tibia and all. So it's a neck fracture. So there is a pain. So it took almost like you can say like 6 weeks. There is almost a 1.5 month, or you can like a month. I can able to bend my knee. I can able to close my leg, open my leg. I can bend. So it took 4 weeks. That's my answer. So I thought of giving this answer to you. So guys, any of the question, please ask me. So I'll post videos regularly regards with my recovery. So it should help the community. It should help the people. So stay strong, guys. You'll bounce back strongly, and you'll come back strongly. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day.